Effects of Pollution, Chapter 16. Environmental pollution is one of the most serious threats facing the world today. It is affecting the humans, animals, and marine life. All types of pollution like noise, air, water, soil, and radioactive have an impact on all the living organisms and their environment. Pollutants in the environment are responsible for environmental degradation. Environmental pollution damages our surroundings. Humans are polluting the air with gas and smoke, poison the water with chemicals and other substances, and damage the soil with too much fertilizers and pesticides. Effects of air pollution. Air is made up of number of gases, that is nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, helium, methane, krypton, ammonia and carbon monoxide. The composition of the air is affected by the natural calamities or by human activities. There are so many increased industrial activities which emit harmful gases, and through automobiles also harmful gases are emitted in the air, which are responsible for the increasing pollution in the air. The chemical reactions in the air uses the power emitted by the sun, which is known as biogeochemical cycle. The gases like nitrogen is very important, which gets disturbed by the human activities, which has caused an imbalance in these cycles. Carbon and oxygen, these support the plant and animal on the earth, but when these cycles are disturbed by burning fossil fuel such as oil and coal, carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere, which increases the temperature of the atmosphere, thus leading to global warming. Effects of air pollution on human health. The short-term effects of air pollution are irritation in eyes, nose and throat, respiratory infections such as bronchitis and pneumonia, headaches, nausea, vomiting, dizziness, convulsions and allergic reactions, slurring of speech. Long-term effects of air pollution are chronic respiratory diseases, lung cancer, cardiovascular diseases and coma, damage to the nerves, brain, liver and kidneys. Water pollution affects man, aquatic animals as well as the environment. Due to water pollution, the process of photosynthesis is obstructed. This affects the growth of aquatic vegetation. The effect of water pollution on marine animals and plants is visible in two phenomena: eutrophication and biomagnification. Eutrophication is the process of depletion of oxygen from water bodies occurring either naturally or due to human activities. The process of eutrophication takes place due to the introduction of nutrients and chemicals through discharge of domestic sewage. Biomagnification means increasing in the concentration of various toxic substances along the food chain. Toxic substances at the level of primary producers get concentrated at each trophic level as they move up to the food chain. The phenomena of concentrated toxic deposition at the higher trophic level is known as bioaccumulation. The other effects of water pollution are phosphorus and nitrates from the fertilizers and detergents contaminate surface water, where they act as nutrients and promote the growth of oxygen consuming algae. Hot water is released from power stations, which increases the temperature of water resources. It reduces the oxygen level and is incapable of supporting life. Seawater is polluted by the leakage of crude oil. Effects on human health. Pathogens. Most of the wastewater, especially sewage, contain pathogens like bacteria, virus and protozoa, which enters the human body and gets contaminated by drinking water. There are several waterborne diseases like cholera, typhoid, diarrhea, dysentery, hepatitis, polio and jaundice, which affects humans. The toxic compounds like fluorides, lead and pesticides, arsenic, mercury and the other high nitrate content affects humans, like fluorides cause fluorosis. Lead is toxic to both central and peripheral nervous systems. Pesticides causes tumors and brain damage, impotency and cancer. Arsenic causes nausea, vomiting and stomach burns. Mercury damages the nervous system and it leads to insomnia, tremors, bleeding of gums, etc. The increased amount of methyl mercury in water caused Minamata disease in Japan when mercury was consumed by the fishes and fishes were consumed by the people. It affected the people indirectly and there was a problem of indigestion. High nitrate content of water is associated with infants are most susceptible to nitrate content.